Are you looking for the best HID conversion kits? In today's video, we're going to explore top 5 HID conversion kits that we have found through our entire research process. We made this list based on 5 things, such as brighter light, easy install, longer life, customization, color options. There are many types of HID conversion kits that may be the best, but sometimes they didn't fulfill your requirements. The Marsauto D3S HID Bulbs is our most recommended pick for its overall features and real user feedback. We will go into the deep overview in the next, but if you hurry, let's have a quick look at the quick comparison table. Here you can easily compare the top 5 HID conversion kits. We try to show you some great features that may fulfill your requirement and some of the limitations of these products. If you find this table helpful, be sure to give us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. We have added all the products link in the description box below. If you are interested in any of them, feel free to check them out. All of the listed products are available on Amazon. Now let's go to the deeper section of this buying guide. At number 1 is the Marsauto D3S HID Bulbs. With these 6000 Kelvin cold white headlights, you can see where you're going. You won't have to worry about your headlights for a long time because they have a lifespan of 5 years. They are strong enough to survive even the worst weather conditions thanks to the I67 waterproof rating. To guarantee that they are 98% error-free, the lights are put through extensive testing. The anti-UV coating on the quartz tubes of these lights makes them unique. It safeguards the bulbs and supports their dependable operation. Sadly, these lights are not a real clean white and have a blue tint to them. You might not want to go for this look due to the absence of reflecting surfaces. They don't shine as brightly inside projector housing as they were supposed to. Additionally, they might stop working at any time. At number 2 is the HYB Canbus Slim Digital HID Ballast. Because halogen lamps are so inexpensive, many of us adore them. We overlook or don't care about their low brightness and short lifespan due to the price. A cost-effective HID system is provided by HYB in order to meet our financial needs. The HYB Canbus Slim, please. For the majority of computers-equipped cars, it is a digital HID system that comes in a pack of 2 bulbs. This technique offers 80% brightness in a matter of seconds. Installation of the HYB Canbus HID headlights takes less than 10 minutes. The kit includes straightforward instructions that make it possible for the user to set up without the need for additional wiring or professional assistance. This HID system offers a total wiring life up to 35,000 hours from the moment it is taken out of the box. We suggest this system as a great replacement for halogen lights. It has a 1-year replacement warranty and is quite strong and compatible. It functions with automobiles like Porsche, Jeep, and Audi. At number 3 is the Innovited HID bundle with Slim Ballast Xenon bulb. With this all-in-one plug-and-play system, upgrading the headlights on your vehicle to a HID setup is a breeze. It comes complete with 2 HID bulbs, 2 ballasts, and all of the wiring that is required. When you get them installed, you'll see that they are 3 times brighter than the factory halogen lights in your vehicle. The bulbs have a potential lifespan of up to 5,500 hours. This is possible due to the fact that the entire system is impervious to water, shock, and dust. The light that is produced has a brightness of 3,900 lumens and a color temperature of 6,000 Kelvin. One potential disadvantage of this technology is that it must be installed on certain automobiles by a trained technician. Due to the fact that the bulbs are exceptionally long and have an extra wide base, they are incompatible with some headlight housings. Lack of labeling on the wiring also contributes to the potential for confusion. At number 4 is the XENTEC 55W standard size ballast. An even better HID system is made up of the XENTEC standard ballast. Together, all of its qualities allow it to achieve its intended aim of producing an incredibly brilliant light. A super bright xenon bulb, which gives 1.5 times the brightness of a halogen lamp, is used in the XENTEC ballast. The ballast uses reduced flickering technology to make sure your bulb runs steadily for a longer period of time. Users are recommended to think about seeking assistance from qualified persons because installation will likely require some expert assistance. The XENTEC standard HID light kit is a digital ballast system that is highly compatible with a diverse selection of bulbs. This system is included in the kit. It has a shell made of zinc alloy and a good resistance to the effects of water. This HID light system, with its great cooling feature, will transform the lighting and brightness of your headlights for the better. This improvement will be noticeable immediately. At number 5 is the Hybkler Error-Free HID Kit. It is simple to update the lights on your vehicle with this full HID conversion kit. 2 ballast, 2 HID bulbs, and straightforward plug and play wiring harnesses are included. 6,000 Kelvin and 3,000 lumens of brilliant white light are produced by the bulbs. The fact that this kit is made to fit into your factory OEM headlight housing is a good feature. Once they're in place, you'll notice that they're 3 times as bright as halogen bulbs. They also have a 5-fold longer lifespan than your factory bulbs. These lights, unfortunately, have a larger power consumption than the usual 35-watt bulbs due to the fact that they use 55 watts of electricity. The fact that the ballasts are so big makes it more challenging to choose an appropriate location for their installation. As a direct consequence of this, the process of installing the software could appear challenging to novice users. At the end, it is important to remember that worrying about money doesn't actually do anything to help. Instead, it can actually lead to more anxiety and stress. So the best way to stop worrying about money is to take some time for yourself, relax, and let go. Finally, remind yourself that you can always fix things if they get too tough.